Hey, up there! Straighten up a bit, will ya? Look at what you've done to my head. It's all worn down.
What do you know? This is called character. What's going on?
Who needs character? A family should be neat and tidy.
I worked so hard to move out. How come after one nap, I'm back here again?
Doctor, my toes are finally better. Looks like I can wear heels from now on.
Ah, that hurts! Part of my body feels like it's broken or something. Someone help me fix it!
Dude, the damage is pretty serious. Might as well just remove it.
If you cut it off, how am I supposed to move? Wait, you actually removed it? My bone wasn't even broken! Why are you grinding it down? And now you're stuffing something in there? Huh, actually, it feels okay. Just a little stiff.
I performed a spinal fusion procedure. For the first 3 months after surgery, you must wear a brace at all times and avoid bending, twisting, or lifting anything heavy. After that, you'll gradually start exercises to strengthen your lower back muscles.
Doc, help! I broke my thumb.
Where's the missing piece?
Oh no, I panicked and can't find it.
All right, I'll make you a new one.
What's going on here?
Who's missing a bone this time? Help yourself. I'm basically a human bone bank. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you cutting off a piece of my skin?
Whoa, this is totally different. You gave me a whole new face.
Who are you? And where's my buddy?
He's officially off the clock. I'm here to take over his job.
Doc, you're a genius. I've got my thumb back.
This sweaty smell is overpowering. What's this? Why'd you shave my beard? And what's this for? Whoa, kinda chilly. Wait, why do I need a shot? What's that thing doing now? What are they drawing out with that needle? That's a whole tube full. Wow, I don't stink anymore.
Doctor, thanks to you, my underarm odor is gone.
Dude, how'd you get burned this bad? What are you staring at? Get in there and treat him already.
His bones are damaged too. It's not gonna be easy. If things go south, we might have to amputate.
No way. You can't amputate. Do whatever it takes to save it.
Whatever it takes, huh? All right then. Here we go.
Why are you cutting me?
We're gonna wrap the hand inside your belly for a couple months. Let your own blood supply nurse it back.
Wait, am I gonna die?
Don't be so dramatic. I'm only cutting down to the fat layer. No big deal. After it heals, we'll take it out.
Doc, how long is this gonna take?
Your hand's pretty badly burned. Gonna take some time, so just be patient.
My wound's already healed. Why am I back in the OR?
We've got a compatible arm for transplant right now.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's do it! Wait, this is for me? The hair on this is so long. Is this a guy's arm? That's so ugly.
And you're being picky? Let's move! Everything's reconnected.
That's it? We're done?
This is just the beginning. We still have to watch for rejection, plus a full year of physical therapy. You'll need time to adjust.
Doctor, the skin and hair on my arm are so much finer now.
Keep up with the rehab. And don't forget, someone made this possible. Make it count.
What are you drawing on my eyelid? Hey, I'm not sick, and I'm not getting a shot. Wait, what are you here for?
I'm here to give you double eyelid surgery.
Double eyelids? You're cutting into my eyelids? I don't agree. I'm calling the brain.
Why are you calling me?
He's going to cut me open. You have to save me.
Don't make such a big deal out of it. I approve the surgery. I want to look better.
Humans are so weird. They'll actually cut open their eyelids just to look prettier.
Stop complaining and just get started. Haha, now you don't have anything to say, do you?
Doctor, why do my double eyelids look so swollen?
Don't worry. The swelling will gradually go down over time, and the shape of your double eyelids will become more natural. After surgery, make sure to protect the incision. Avoid rubbing your eyes, intense exercise, or getting water into the wound, as these can affect healing or cause infection.
What are you doing?
It's time to trim your nails.
They're not even long. Why do I need a trim?
I'm just cleaning them up a little.
You call this cleaning them up? You cut them so short. If you go any shorter on the sides, you'll cut into me.
Shorter nails don't trap dirt.
I still look better like this.
Wow, your nails grow pretty fast. Let me trim them a little more.
Don't cut them as short as last time.
Got it.
Why didn't you keep your word? You cut them super short again.
Your nails grow back fast anyway. They'll grow out again.
You always bully me. Now I'll show you what I can do.
Doctor, how did I end up with an ingrown toenail?
You cut your toenails too short, especially digging too deep into the sides. The sharp edges of the nail get pushed into the surrounding soft skin every time you walk. This constant pressure creates tiny wounds, allowing bacteria to enter and cause an infection and inflammation.
Hey, handsome! You're finally here! I've been waiting for you for so long!
All right, let's get started.
So, am I about to go back into Mom's belly now? Your parents aren't ready to have a kid just yet, so you'll have to wait a little longer. I can only survive for a couple of days out here. I'll be dead if I wait any longer. Don't worry, I'll put you in a tank of liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees Celsius. That'll extend your shelf life indefinitely.
Oh my god, didn't I already hit menopause? How am I suddenly pregnant?
I'm an embryo that was frozen a long time ago.
2,000 years.
Thanks to that embryo we froze years ago, we finally have a child now.
Finally old enough. Time for us to head out.
Let's go! Wait, no way. I can't get through on my own.
Ugh, this hole's too small.
Maybe we should just tell the security guard.
What's going on?
Can you make the hole a bit bigger? We can't fit through.
Do you have any idea how important I am? You think I can just make it bigger like that?
But if we don't get out, it's bad for our health.
What's that got to do with me?
Guess we had to beat his ass before he'd listen.
Didn't you say it was your first time? How come there's no blood?
What year do you think this is? Do you even know basic biology? Idiot.
I'm here!
Hold up. Let me check your chromosomes first.
So many rules.
How come you've got an extra Y chromosome?
Are you kidding? With an extra one, our kid's gonna be taller and stronger than everyone else.
Good point. All right, come on in. Wow, this kid's built solid. But seriously, is having an extra chromosome okay? What's that supposed to mean? Of course it's fine. Chill out. I didn't mean anything by it.
Doctor, what's wrong with my child?
He has XYY syndrome. Kids with this condition tend to be more irritable and prone to aggression. Raising him will be more challenging than other children.
That's a huge wound. Bro, get to work and start fixing it up.
No problem. Leave it to me.
When's the last time you did this? You rusty or something?
Don't rush me. If I just produce more, it'll stick together.
That's nowhere near enough. You've got to really go all in. Push it in so it actually bonds.
You're right. That's a good idea.
Doctor, why has my C-section incision developed a raised scar?
That's a result of your body overdoing it during the healing process. To close the wound quickly, the skin produces too much collagen, a type of fibrous tissue. Combined with tension on the incision and local inflammation, those fibers can pile up and form a raised lump or thickened scar. Don't worry, this overgrowth will gradually fade and flatten over time.
Hey, I'm heading out.
No way, you're not going anywhere.
Why not?
Look at your color. You're clearly one of those loud, stinky farts. If I let you out now, it'd be so embarrassing!
You're making fun of me? Just wait.
Dude, I'm just some air that came in with the food. Is that the way out up ahead?
Yeah, it's the exit. But the guard won't let me out. He says my color's too ugly.
Seriously? Come on, I'll go talk some sense into him.
I'm scared. What if I hide behind you and you sneak me out?
Yeah, all right. Hey, I'm heading out.
Your color looks light, you're fine to go! Wait, no, not you!
Who the hell was so inconsiderate as to fart in the subway? It stinks so bad.
Hey, I'm still growing here. How come you're staying up late and smoking? Is this stuff meant for a baby? Stop being so dramatic. Back in the day, conditions were way worse, and their babies turned out just fine, didn't they? Something's off with your legs, isn't it? What do you mean something's off? I'm still developing.
A few moments later.
Delivery's right around the corner. How come your legs still haven't grown properly? Then give me a little more time to finish growing. Too late. Time's up. We're going with this.
This baby has sirenomelia. Not only are the leg bones fused together, but there's also no anal or urethral opening. Who told you to neglect your health during pregnancy?
When is the owner going to stop being sick with fever and colds every day? Tell me about it. I'm so exhausted from having to take medicine every day.
Stop complaining, like I'm not suffering too. Come on, time for your cold medicine. Huh? Why are there more pills today?
I just wanted to make it work better, so I took an antibiotic after the cold medicine.
Here, take this antibiotic.
After taking the meds, I feel all floaty.
Is it kicking in that fast?
Why do I feel like I'm seeing God?
Oh no, something's wrong.
Doctor, what's going on with me?
You mixed your cold medicine with antibiotics. The combination was too strong and caused liver failure.
Hey, this place is pretty nice. Time to start an infection!
I feel awful. Hey, I've got an infection over here. Help me!
Where are you?
I'm in the foot nerve.
Which nerve in the foot? Take it easy. Which nerve?
Near the sole of my foot. It hurts so much.
Which one exactly? Be specific. Honestly, you seem fine to me.
Doc, I just stepped on a nail. How did it end up like this?
You've got a tetanus infection, which is causing full body spasms. Next time, take these things more seriously.
My little one is finally here.
It's implanted. Time for me to start pumping out HCG.
Who are you guys? I've never seen you around before.
We mostly show up during pregnancy. We're here to protect the embryo, support the corpus luteum, and help with fetal sex differentiation. Busy times. Gotta go! This is a big deal, protecting the pregnancy. Just the two of them? What can they even do?
Exactly. Sounds like they're full of it. It's only been 8 weeks, so why is there so much of it now?
Normally, your HCG levels are below 5, but now they're way too high. You're definitely pregnant.
Hey, what are you doing? Stop it!
I'm tattooing you. I'm putting ink in.
What ink? This hurts like crazy. I should call my brain and ask what's going on.
Why are you calling your brain? You don't even know if that's what your brain told you to do. Maybe this is what humans actually want.
Want what? We're getting stabbed 50 times a second. Why would anyone want that? And all this ink going in too.
Relax. I'm just here to help your body absorb it.
Fine. Let me see what you've got.
No, I'm too full. I need to get this pigment to the lymph system. ASAP.
Hey, don't run off so fast. There's still some left here.
Haha, looks like no one's helping you now.
Hey, tattoo artist, can you stop poking the same spot? It really hurts.
I do it like this, so the ink sticks. The needle has to reach the dermis under the epidermis for it to stay permanent. If I go too fast, there's no time to deposit the ink properly. and it'll just get washed out by tissue fluid or shed with the skin. So stop talking, we just need to finish the rest.
Dude, this place is pretty sweet.
Tell me about it! I've had enough of crashing in that dead crab's gut!
Hey, who the hell are you two? Get the hell out of my turf.
This guy? He's the one and only Histamine.
Histamine? Never heard of it. There's nothing my stomach acid can't dissolve. Wait, something's off. Why am I feeling dizzy?
Ha! Dude actually tried to throw down with me!
Right? You're Histamine, man. With a weak setup like his, you'll have him down in under an hour.
Doc, why did my dad just pass out all of a sudden?
It's food poisoning from eating dead crab, high in histamine, which causes severe allergy-like symptoms. We'll give antihistamines right away.
We barely get any nutrition here as it is, and now with surgery, they're starving us even more.
Tell me about it. When are we ever gonna get a decent meal around here?
My stomach's growling again. I'm so hungry.
Hey, there's a pile of clotted blood over here. Food is food, right? Let's just fill our stomachs.
Not a bad idea. Man, I'm stuffed.
Whoa, I think you grew taller.
You too. Quick, eat up. We can still grow more.
Hey, check this out. The hair around my wound is super thick. What's up with that?